Hi and welcome. This is a 23.8-inch Full HD display, nice and wide with slim bezels that make it feel modern and premium. Everything you need is built in. No bulky CPU, no messy cable, just one sleek system. How amazing. This PC is designed for productivity, everyday work, browsing content, and business tasks. Quite compact and space saving. In the box, you get the keyboard, mouse, power cable, and of course, the stand. Simple setup, no stress. It comes with essential ports for USB devices, internet, and external displays. Perfect for office or home use.